What if I told you that psychology has a much bigger role in creating a woman like you than appearances? There are many hidden switches in the human brain. And you can flip them almost at will if you know where they are. I'm sharing 7 psychological tricks today that can change the way almost any woman perceives you and possibly even make her want you. These tricks are based on dark psychology, subtle manipulation, and tried and true attraction techniques. 1. The scarcity effect. Become a limited edition. Due to an innate survival instinct, humans appreciate rarities. Being available at all times makes you predictable. Furthermore, being predictable is dull. Dark psychology tactic. Emphasize the value and scarcity of your time. Don't respond to her texts right away. Don't always take the lead in making plans. When you're not there, let her wonder what you're doing. Curiosity is sparked by this, and curiosity is frequently confused with attraction. Consider your favorite high-end brand, which isn't always available or on sale. People start chasing things more when they become scarce. No one wants a man who is everywhere. However, when a man is just a little bit out of reach, he becomes alluring. 2. Mirror her world. The subconscious bond. One of the subtlest methods of psychological manipulation is mirroring. Our minds are programmed to trust similarity, which is why it works. When you naturally mimic her tone, tempo, and body language, her subconscious begins to believe that we're alike. I'm at ease with him. How to use it? After a few seconds, if she leans forward, so do you. Include a few of the terms or phrases she uses in your chat. Steer clear of talking loudly or hurriedly if her tone is quiet and gentle. Speaking the same unconscious language is more important than copying someone else. 3. The dopamine trigger. Be the source of excitement. In addition to being emotional, attraction is also chemical. When we encounter novelty, excitement, or reward, dopamine, the pleasure chemical, is released. Tactics. Change the setting for your gatherings. Give her a compliment out of the blue to surprise her. Take a light-hearted and unconventional approach. She starts to yearn for you when her brain links you to that dopamine rush. Avoid becoming the man she simply knows. Be the unpredictable man. 4. Strategic eye contact. The 3-second rule. One of the most basic human connections is eye contact. It is a weapon when used properly. Dark psychology trick. Make eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds longer than usual. Then grin subtly to break it. The amygdala, the area of the brain associated with emotions, is activated by this little delay, producing an intense surge. Pro tip: don't look at her, look inside her. Staring isn't the point. I see you is the silent message that needs to be conveyed. I see you. At this moment, you are important. 5. The push-pull effect. Emotional tension. In attraction psychology, this is among the most effective manipulation techniques. This is how it operates. Pull, show affection, focus, and kinship. Push, remove it gently, amicably, and without animosity. Example: you genuinely congratulate her on her sense of style one day. You gently make fun of her lengthy preparation time the next time. Why it functions. Emotional highs are what the human brain seeks. Will he compliment me or tease me today? Is an example of the small uncertainty that can become addictive. 6. The vulnerability hook. Selective openness. Self-assurance is appealing. However, selective vulnerability leaves a lasting impression. Dark psychology insight. At the appropriate time, share a poignant life story or a minor personal problem. This gives her the impression that she is the only one who can see a certain aspect of you. People develop a stronger emotional bond with you, sometimes immediately, when they feel trusted with something personal, important. Don't divulge too much. Controlled vulnerability is where the power lies. 7. Leave her wanting more. End on a high. In attraction psychology, ending interactions before they naturally fade out is one of the most underappreciated strategies. Why it works. Her brain replays that moment when you depart while the energy is still high, and she wants the story to go on. For instance, you might remark, "I'd love to keep talking, but I've got to run," rather than waiting for a conversation to slow down. Next time, let's pick this up. This generates expectation, and desire is fueled by anticipation. Satisfaction is not where desire lives. It inhabits the space between the present and the future. These are psychological tricks, not magic. But keep in mind that the same things that make people more attracted can also make them less trustworthy. Make deliberate use of them. Make good use of them. Out of these 7 psychological tactics, which will you attempt first? Put it in the comments section. Additionally, click the subscribe button for more dark psychology secrets, as the upcoming video may alter your perspective on all of your relationships.